this is Beatboxing for Babies. They're teaching me how to beatbox. What sound are you going to teach me?
I'm going to teach you a zipper.
Zipper.
Yeah. This is going to be like...
Okay.
Yeah, so... You need to just keep it a little looser here.
A little loose.
Okay.
This is my first zipper.
Yeah. You need a little space there. Yeah. Okay. You need to go a little slow.
Slow.
Yeah. Just like. Start with.
You do it?
Go down.
Oh yeah.
It's on its way there. It's on its way. At least a lot more better than me. Do it again, please.
It's like.
Weird sounds are coming out.
A little more practice.
Yeah, you did.
You kind of did.
Kinda.
You also have a lot of treble, I think.
Treble.
More like flatter.
More flatter.
Yeah.
To go flat.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So what are you doing? Can you explain that
Yeah,
process?
probably there's a little gap when I just close my mouth. It's like.
Okay.
Then I'm just like sucking the air inside.
Okay.
It's like. And then take it a little louder.
Yeah, the last.
Yeah, you're getting it. Yeah.
I look like I'm dying, but I'm getting there. Okay, close enough.
Yeah.
You teach me a sound.
So I'll teach you something called the sucker punch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Who came up with this?
So Alexino's really famous for
Okay.
it. Yeah. So it's basically saying hit,
Hit.
hud, or hood inward.
Hud or hood?
Yeah. So basically, when you're saying that, your tongue should okay. So if this is the upper part of your mouth, your tongue just goes and hits over here.
This is the upper part of my mouth. Your tongue goes in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so-
sort of get it. So you're taking a breath
Yeah.
in.
And saying hud or hit or hood. So you can do. Yeah.
Okay, I'm getting that. Okay.
So it's something like a reverse.
Okay.
Gives a but not the thing.
Okay. It's up.
So you can see the pitch variations
Yeah.
also. So
And do the hood.
yeah.
Simple enough.
Yeah.
Simple enough. Alright. So this is Beatboxing for Babies. These are fantastic beatboxers from Bangalore. Wave and say bye bye.
Bye bye.